Greetings, friends. Watch Refrigeration News for Monday, October 26, 2020 on our channel. Let's go. First news today. New Williams Medi Plus range. The Williams Medi Plus range offers precise, reliable and stable temperature control and a choice of 13 models, from compact under-counter units to upright cabinets, including slimline versions. This diversity means Williams can offer products to suit applications for the storage of drugs, medicines and vaccines in a variety of sites including hospitals, laboratories, nursing and care homes, pharmacies, doctors and dentists' surgeries, vets and other clinical settings. This new Williams Medi Plus range utilizes proven refrigeration systems and high-density, eco-friendly insulation to maintain stable storage conditions, even in high ambient temperatures. Robust, stainless steel construction, low noise emissions, alarms for high and low temperature, internal LED lighting and securely lockable doors make them ideal for use in these specialist markets. With the exception of the under-counter Medi Plus 135, all models also feature self-closing doors. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. F-gas quota and reporting, ozone depleting substances. The UK Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs and the Environment Agency have updated their February 2020 guidance on how to comply with fluorinated gas, F-gas, and ozone depleting substances, ODS, regulations from January 1, 2021. Brexit. It is likely that in the coming months new and revised UK guidance on various subjects will appear. The updates often are very similar to earlier version. UK F-gas quota and reporting summary. Immediately after the transition period ends, the UK will be split into two separate regulatory regions. The Great Britain, GB, market, England, Scotland and Wales, will be governed by a new GB equivalent of the EU F-gas regulation. Northern Ireland will remain aligned with the EU quota and reporting system. The GB regulation will mirror the EU regulation in terms of the phasing down of HFCs. From January 1, 2021, a GB HFC quota will be needed for businesses that place on the GB market HFCs equivalent to 100 T or more of CO2 per year. This total includes any imports to GB from the EU or Northern Ireland. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Frozen food market trends 2020. The coronavirus pandemic has greatly disrupted the U.S. food industry, resulting in significant changes in consumer behavior and an increased demand for industrial cold storage warehouse space. With quarantine still in effect around most of the country, consumers have been forced to eat at home more and either panic buy large quantities of extra groceries and or shift to more online orders more frequently. Additionally, because of its longer shelf life and surge in available options, the frozen food category has seen significant growth in both online and in-person grocery purchases, forcing grocery and cold storage facilities to scramble to keep up. According to the American Frozen Food Institute, AFFI, 7 in 10 frozen food shoppers have increased the amount of frozen food they're buying since the start of the pandemic. 6 months in, U.S. shoppers are continuing to stock up their freezers with frozen meals, meats, ice cream, and frozen novelties. Not only is the number of consumers purchasing frozen food growing, but many have also switched to ordering directly online from restaurants and food service distributors. The question is, how has this rapidly changing behavior affected the cold storage industry, an essential element of our supply chain dedicated to protecting, delivering, and handling temperature-controlled goods in the United States? Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Anniversary Agroprodmash 2020 exceeded expectations. Agroprodmash is the first own exhibition of Expo Center to open the autumn season of 2020. It enjoyed great results. According to the participants, the show was very successful and in many ways exceeded expectations. There were a lot of negotiations. Many companies generated sales leads and partners and signed contracts for equipment supply. Agroprodmash 2020 welcomed both the world's leading and well-known manufacturers and some new names. One of the most important features of the show is that it demonstrates equipment in action, which this year emphasizes the high status of Agroprodmash and the industry's confidence in Expo Center. A number of new products were shown for the first time. A lot of attention was paid to the current industry trends such as the improvement of safety of food production and finished products as well as the concept of unattended production of the future. Read more the news on our website today. 5th News Today. Etihad Cargo approves CSafe wrap container for flight. Etihad Cargo, the cargo and logistics arm of the Etihad Aviation Group, has partnered with CSafe Global, the innovation leader in active, passive parcel and cell and gene temperature-controlled container solutions for the transport of life-enhancing pharmaceuticals, to introduce its latest high-performing container, the CSafe Wrap, across its global fleet of wide-body and freighter aircraft. The CSafe Wrap uses innovative heating and compressor-driven cooling technologies, along with advanced VIP insulation, to maintain constant payload temperatures even at extreme ambient temperatures spanning from -30 degrees Celsius to +54 degrees Celsius, the broadest operating range in the industry. Its large payload compartment of 6.68 cubic meters easily accommodates up to 4 standard US pallets or 5 standard Euro pallets. With an extended battery runtime of more than 120 hours, the CSafe Wrap ensures temperature integrity and product viability through to destination even on extended journeys. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.